I'm here at La Floresta in Brea today. This is going to be a 55 plus community built around a clubhouse and a pool area. This is Lisa Walters walking you inside this single level home. Very nice to see a single level home built by Del Webb. Very nice spacious kitchen with the island, living area. Great little patio. Let me give you a view shot here of the whole living area. So we have this and the kitchen, and this opens up into kind of a great room area that goes into a den. Looks like a great place for a poker party. That would make a nice office or third bedroom. Here is the washroom right off of the living area, the master bedroom and bath. This 55 plus community is going to be gated. They have some nice plans for it. If you want to know more about this community and what they're going to do, please contact me. There'll be 3 builders in here, homes and some condominiums. That's a beautiful master bath. And then on the other side of the home is the other bedroom. I like that they have the bedrooms apart on the other sides of the home. That's going to be the garage. You have a 2-car attached garage. Here's your bath. And the second bedroom. You can kind of see down the hallway. And this is Lisa Walters here at La Floresta.